What is the probability of tossing tails 3 consecutive times with a two-sided fair coin? Okay, you know that a fair-sided two coins has only two, like 50% probability. Okay, they said tails in 3 times. Okay, so we have tails and the other half is head. So I toss it 3 times. So tails will be 1/2 on the first. On the second is also 1/2. And on the third is also 1/2. Why I did this? Because we're going to multiply every time we're tossing the coin. So this will be 1. Okay, the top will be 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. The bottom is going to be 2 times 2 times 2. It's 2 times 2, it's 4 times 2, it's 8. So our answer is letter D. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Greg spins the spinner twice. Mention it twice. Okay. What is the probability? The probability that it will land on even on both times. I'll put E for even. Even times even. Okay. So I'm going to look for this. What are the evens here? So this is 2 and 4. Okay, out of 4. So the total is 2 out of 4. Okay, so you're going to do it twice. So 2 out of 4 times 2 out of 4. So you're getting it's 2 times 2. You'll get 4. And 4 times 4, you'll get 16. But we need to simplify this. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4, it's 4. So the answer is going to be 1/4, letter C. Okay. Question number 3. Okay, it's related to the same question here. Okay, hold on, let me reduce it. Okay. So, what is the probability that the spinner will land on 5 on the first? Okay. And then 2 on the second spin. So, the probability of 5 and 2 on the second spin. So, we're going to do first the 5. So, we're going to do what? 5 is going to be 1 out of 4. And then 2. Okay, I'll put that as triangle. It's also 1 out of 4. It's going to be 1 out of 4 multiplied by 1 out of 4. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. And 4 times 4 is equals to 16. So my answer is letter A. Okay. Question number 4. Let's make it bigger. Mrs. Liang spins each spinner 1 time. What's the probability that the first spinner will land on the odd numbers and the second spinner will land on the vowel? So let's do it here. The probability of the first is odd and the probability of the second, which is vowel. Okay, so let's write it in here. Probability of odd is going to be 9 and 7. You have 2 out of 4 times a vowel. I'll get A here. 1 out of 3 So I'm going to multiply 2 times 1 equals 2. 4 times 3 equals 12. Let's simplify. This is divisible by 2. This is gonna be like 1 out of 6. Okay. 1 out of 6 is letter D. Okay. Next, last question. Jared is going to perform an experiment in which he spins each spinner once. What is the probability of the first spinner will land on A and the second spinner will land on even and the third spinner will land on blue? So the probability we're going to look at is A times the even and the blue. Okay, so we have 3 here. Let's start with the first spinner. The first spinner will be 1/2. The second spinner will have 2/4. Okay, the even. This is A. And the third spinner is going to be blue. 1 out of. So this is 1 times 2 times 1. It gives me 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Times 3 it's 24. So 2 times 4 times 3. Now if I simplify that, this will be divisible by 2. I'm going to 1/12. So my answer is letter B. Thank you.